Ready to supercharge your HiHello cards? Our integration for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales CRM helps you do just that with automatic contact syncing. To get started, switch to your admin profile if you haven't already done so. Now, go to the hamburger menu to access your settings. Then, go to the Integrations tab to view your connected apps. Click Connect. Once the modal appears and you have reviewed the summary, click Connect. Here, you will sign in with your company's subdomain. After Microsoft authentication is complete, you'll be taken back to your HiHello settings page, where you can manage your integration. Make sure you have selected Yes for your new card's contacts to sync. By default, the owner of the HiHello account will also own the company's contacts. Now, here's where the real magic happens. You can customize how your fields will map out to 365. For example, the HiHello's contact first name field will map to Dynamics first name field. You can also create additional fields and use the drop-down to connect it with one of HiHello's correlating fields. You can also sync new contacts as leads with a toggle. The process is similar to your sync contacts. If you want to change how all your connected cards sync to their contacts, just use the Sync Options drop-down menu. You can also individually change the syncing status of each card. Once you're satisfied with your options, be sure to save to implement your changes.